Hello and welcome to another Tiny Garage video. Today we're going to be looking at this new Matchbox Sonora Shredder. So let's take a closer look at this. As you can see, this is a Matchbox. I like the new trend where they've gone back to putting them in a box rather than the plastic case. It's a bit more environmentally friendly and it looks kind of cooler. It's a bit of a mystery because it's kind of like a present you have to open. And this is a cool looking truck. I don't know much about it. I haven't opened this yet. So this is the Sonora Shredder. And as you can see, one vehicle inside. So let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, so inside, a nice little cellophane package. Get out of there, you. Put that over there. Okay, so this is a nice little truck. It's a cool color. It's kind of like a satin finish, like a wine color maybe. It's really cool. It's got a lot of details. It's got some nice decals on it, as you can see there. And some rally lights on the front here and on the top. If you flip it over on the back, you can see it's got a spare tire, kind of like a desert rally kind of truck. I like it. The wheels are pretty cool, nice and aggressive off-road. It's very nice. That's the Matchbox Sonora Shredder. Thanks for watching this video. If you'd like to see more of this kind of video, hit the subscribe button and leave us a like. And if you want to leave a comment and tell us what you'd like to see, that would be great. Thanks, and we'll see you in the next video.